greasy, and all my mornings tend to tease me since you're gone. Ripping off sandy band-aids on the beach, my grass runs circles round my reach. I've grown overthrown, bloody flowers and broken bones. All my nights are morning, and all my mornings have been deforming since you're gone. Hollywood misunderstood. All my nights are greasy, nothing to know. You gotta get while the getting is good. All my mornings tease me without you.
Hey, we're Goose and Red. We have been traveling throughout Canada, Mexico, and the USA with our kids and pups for the past 3 years. We have our son Rickson, daughter Serena, and 4 teacup puppies. We shipped our renovated camper van to Mexico in 2020 and have spent the last 2 years fighting to get it back. We were scammed and screwed around every corner, which had us buy an old adventure Jeep while waiting. At some point, we decided we couldn't wait any longer, and camping with our Mexican lemon Jeep in a tent on the beach just wasn't working anymore. So we hopped on a flight to the USA, where we picked up our initial dream, a vintage Airstream motorhome. These adventures have been crazy. Follow us along our journey as we rebuild the Airstream and make our way back down into Mexico to explore and rescue our van and Jeep. Don't forget to subscribe and join our Patreon.
It's trials, where around the kindness of strangers. I'm a wayfaring stranger, the kindness of strangers keep me from danger in the wild.
So what have we got going on here?
Oh, we got an old and a new. So this one, well, it's nice and smooth, eh? This is what the fan attaches to. And this one, it was making that horrible sound with the motor on. But you can see the bearing and all that play.
The fan was just hitting stuff.
I don't think the fan was hitting stuff, but
I think all the noise came from that.
yeah.
So we broke down on the side of the highway and had to install a new water pump. Rickson.
This is for those days when we're feeling like this. Days when we just don't wanna be here. Worried about what tomorrow holds. Don't wanna get there in a hurry. So let's forget about tomorrow. Love what we're living now. Forget about tomorrow. Running wild in the waters deep. Trouble waiting in the morning. I'm wide awake and I'm losing sleep. Maybe I'm losing it for nothing. Maybe all of this for nothing. So let's forget about tomorrow. Love what we're living now. Forget about tomorrow. So let's forget about tomorrow. Love what we're living now. Forget about tomorrow. No, don't you worry. I'll tell my soul. Find your rest. Things will be better in the morning. Trouble water, they will find. So just for just for once. Oh, let's forget about tomorrow. Love what we're living now. Forget about tomorrow.